Hello students, as discussing under the topic data handling, this is your last video for class 8. In this video, I am going to discuss about median and mode. So starting from the median, we already discussed about mean. So what is median? Median is exactly middle of the term, middle of the data what we observe. Suppose we are having these two types of data. Let's see. Now as you are observing on board, some data is given to you. This is the data for any purpose. These are the collection of data. If we observe, these are not arranged in array format. So always remember, in case of data handling, if data is given to you, you have to arrange in array format. So whenever you arrange in array format, we arrange either in higher to lower or lower to higher. In this case, I am going to arrange this data in ascending order. So first one is your 75, 76, 78, then anything else, 75, 76, 78, then we have 83, 85, 86, and then we have 96. So how many data we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 data. So what is the median of this data? Always remember that median means the data which is exactly at the center of the data whenever it arranged in array format, whether it's ascending or descending. So if we observe, this 83 lie exactly at the mid of the data, 3 this side, 3 that side. Now, so in this case, median is your 83. So this is your first part. This is your first part. If number of data is odd, then we choose what data is given exactly at the mid. That data is known as your median of the data. Suppose in this case, if any data given to you, suppose we have one more 96. This is a new one. If we have one more 96, then whenever we arrange these data in array format, what we have? We have this array format. If we count, now this collection of data is even. There are 8 data, so it's even. In this case, we don't have any number which is exactly at the mid. So we take a collection of 2 objects. If number of data are even, then we choose these 2 data, and median is sum of these 2 data divided by 2, or you can say average of this data. It's a 8, 5, 3, 8, 16 by 2. It's a 2 8s, 2 4s. So 84 is the median of this data. This is your B part. Means where number of data is even, and if number of data is odd, we can exactly put the mid value. This is the concept of median of the given data. Now what is mode? What is mode? Actually mode is the number of mode depend on the number of frequency. Means what? Suppose some data is given to you. I am going to discuss the concept later. First, let me explain. Some data is given to you. I am going to use the previous data. That data is your 75, 76, 78, 78. I am using some new data. Then 96, 98, 95. Clear? So Okay, we can do one thing, erase this one. So when you observe, you can see that in this case 78 written is 2 times. Means what? The frequency of 78 is highest than the other data given in this set of data. The frequency of the output 78 is highest in the data. So mode is, in this case mode is your 78. Clear? This is known as your mode. If no data having frequency more than 1, then in that case we can say there is no mode. So from this we can define the mode. The data having highest frequency, data having higher frequency is known as your mode. Data having higher frequency is known as your mode. Suppose we have two output having the same frequency, then these two outputs are considered as a mode of the given data. It's clear? And if there is no data having frequency more than 1, then there is no mode. But if we have frequency more than 1, then data having the higher frequency is known as the mode of the given set of data. In this case we have two data having same frequency, so these two are considered as a mode. For finding the mode, I am taking an example from a frequency distribution table. This is your some size of shoes, that is your x. This is your size of shoe, this is your frequency, and size of shoes are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the size of shoes, and in that frequency is your 10, 20, 25. 10, 20, 25. Then what we have 8 and 7. So from this we can easily find out what I say, having higher frequency. Which frequency is highest? 25. So what is the mode? 25? No, this is the frequency. The mode of this data is 8. This is the mode. So what is the mode? Mode is your 8. In this collection of data, mode is your 8. Means mode is the value of this x, not the frequency. Hope this one is clear to you people. Try to solve all the questions given in exercise, and if you have any problem you can ask me by using comment section or message me directly. That's all for data handling chapter. Thank you.